Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. What is Mudarabah? Definition of Mudarabah, parties in Mudarabah, how Mudarabah works. These three things are very important to know and understand. Mudarabah is a product where one party contribute fund and other contribute his skills or expertise. From both sides, contribution is there, but from both sides, contribution is not in shape of money or capital. Mudarabah is a product where fund provider, which we name it principal, providing fund, and in Mudarabah product his name is Rabbul Mal, yani owner of the fund. On the other side, our other party is fund manager. To manage this fund is called fund manager, and in Mudarabah called Mudarib. So the relationship between both the parties is the relationship of Mudarib and Rabbul Mal. Condition in Mudarabah are very simple. First of all, in Mudarabah, the fund manager will invest this money in the Sharia compliant product or projects. It means that fund manager is not allowed to invest this amount in haram or impermissible projects. The second condition is that both the parties are agree to distribute the net profit. Distribution ratio of net profit will be decided from the day one, and net profit will come on maturity. So the third condition and very important condition is the maturity date. Maturity date, sometime it depends on a completion of a project, and sometime it depends on a time period. For example, 3 months, 1 month, 1 week, 24 hours, 1 year, 5 years. So when the time period completed, then the maturity date is coming. On maturity date, the fund manager will do calculation and he will calculate what is the net profit. Then the net profit will be distributed between Rabbul Mal and Mudarib as per agreed distribution ratio, which was agreed and decided from the day one. Sometime there is no profit, and if there is loss, again loss will be distributed as per the capital proportion. Now, sometime Rabbul Mal or principal providing 100% capital and Mudarib providing 0% capital. So the loss goes to Mudarib 0% and to Rabbul Mal 100%. But sometime Mudarib or fund manager is Sharik bil Mal. Mudarib Sharik bil Mal. So in this case, they will distribute loss as per the capital proportion. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching this video. If you learned something new, like the video and subscribe the channel if you want to learn more about Islamic banking industry, Islamic matrimonial and family problems, solutions, and advice for an ideal life.